Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how relay works and what's inside the relay. Relay used here is 5-pin DC 12 volt. NO means normally open, NC means normally close, C is common pole. Other two terminals are coil terminals, used to turn on the relay by supplying current. I broke the outer casing of the relay box to demonstrate its working with more clarity. Let's see how it works. Observe the plate moving towards, normally close as the current passes through the coil. It gets magnetized and attracts the metal rod towards it.